Welcome to the Westhill. This brand new home built by Stranville Living Master Builder is located in one of Lethbridge's most coveted communities right here in Copperwood. Featuring over 1,700 square feet, a large pie-shaped lot, a walkout basement, and a space that blends functionality with eye-catching aesthetics. This is one of many detached homes that I'm going to be touring built by Stranville Living Master Builder on this channel. Now to start off, this home is pretty fantastic, but believe me, it's only going to get better from here. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves here, because first I want to show off this open floor plan of the Westhill. Now let's start off in the heart of the home, which is this kitchen here that features this amazing layout. With this being a Stranville Living built home, you can already spot their signature selections, like this hidden fridge and panel dishwasher, and you even have an induction cooktop. These appliances are fantastic and keep the area clean and minimal, but it's this layout that is amazing that gives you a ton of cabinet space and cupboard space as well. But my favorite upgrade in this kitchen are the cabinets that extend all the way to the ceiling that really draw your eye up, that makes this space feel larger and more spacious. Stepping out of the kitchen is your dining room and living room area that features these large windows that back out onto your deck and your pie-shaped lot. Now to finish off this space, we have a sleek electric fireplace to top this area off. Okay, so I did mention a lot of aesthetics, but don't worry because this home is super functional like I mentioned. I mean, right here, you do have a large pantry, you have your coat closet just south of your entrance to your garage, and as well, this space loops around all the way to the front door, creating a seamless flow to the space. Up on the second level, you're gonna be greeted by this large bonus room that can be used as a movie room, a games room, a yoga studio, or even just a reading nook, which is great because it can provide some of that much needed separation from that lower level down below. On this level, we have 2 additional bedrooms as well as a 4-piece bathroom. Now what you'll notice about the selections with Stranville Living that you don't get with other builders is a tiled floor as well as a wall-hung floating toilet. Now these don't even just look sleek, but they're also much easier to clean. This primary bedroom boasts a massive space that provides you enough room for a king-size bed, plus all of that accessory furniture that you're gonna need. We also have a massive walk-in closet, as well as an ensuite featuring dual vanities and a walk-in tiled shower, and of course, that signature floating toilet. Down on this lower level, you have a massive undeveloped space. But just imagine having another bedroom and bathroom and even a living room space with room for a wet bar and access to your covered deck space, which would be the perfect spot for a hot tub. What can I say? I'm a sucker for hot tubs. Thank you guys so much for touring the Westhill, built by Stranville Living Master Builder. If you guys want to see this home in person, be sure to call, text, or email me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins with the Real Estate One team. And if you guys never want to miss another video, be sure to hit that subscribe button right here. If you want to see more videos like this, there's a whole playlist right here.